Hello friends, once again welcome to the new session of Hospital and Clinical Pharmacy Practical. Myself Miss Malvi Rajendra Bhavsar, M.Pharm in Pharmaceutics. So today we are going to start with the new practical of Hospital and Clinical Pharmacy. So let's start with our today's practical session. So today we'll start with experiment number 17 to determine loss on drying of absorbent cotton wool IP. Learning objectives. After watching this practical, student will be able to develop intellectual skills, means they will understand the concept of evaluation of absorbent cotton, understand the principle of loss on drying, and they will also understand the step procedure of loss on drying. Motor skill. Student will develop the ability to weigh the sample in weighing bottle, and they will also develop the ability to record the readings. So concept. First, preposition. In preposition, student will understand the methods of determination of loss on drying. Then general concept structure. The general concept structure of this practical session. First we have to weigh the bottle and sample, that is weighing. Then you have to place it in oven, dry the sample till we get the constant weight, remove from the oven. Okay. And again we have to weigh the bottle and sample and calculate weight by weight, percent weight by weight, LV. This is general concept of this practical or structure of this practical. Now before that we'll see theory. Absorbent cotton IP. Synonym is again absorbent cotton wool. Absorbent cotton consists of trichomes or good quality newcomers obtained from the seed coats of various species of genus Gossypium. Lean. Clean, purified and bleached. It does not contain any compensatory coloring matter. Description. White, well-carded fibers of average staple length, not less than 10 mm, containing not more than traces of leaf residue, seed coats and other impurity. It offers appreciable resistance when pulled and does not shed a significant quantity of dust when shaken gently. Practically, it is odorless. Packaging. Packaging rolls of not more than 500 gram of continuous slab with a lightweight paper running under the entire lab, the paper being of such width that it can be folded over the edges of lab, the two together being tightly and evenly rolled, enclosed and sealed in well closed container. Category of absorbent cotton wool, it is a surgical dressing. Then concept of loss on drying. Loss on drying is a loss in the weight in percent weight by weight resulting from water and volatile matter of any kind that can be driven off under specified condition. Absorbent cotton wool is pure cellulose and contains around 6 to 7% moisture. Damp cotton may show increased naps and reduce absorbency. Therefore, amount of moisture present in absorbent cotton is important to be evaluated. Loss on drying is important criteria for determination of quality of absorbent cotton. So, we'll see the procedure. First, dry a glass stoppered shallow weighing bottle in an oven at 105 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Allow it to cool to room temperature and then weigh the bottle accurately. Now, weigh 5 gram of absorbent cotton, which is to be taken from different places. Transfer to the bottle. Close the bottle with stopper and weigh it. 4. Distribute the sample as evenly as practicable by gentle sidewise shaking. Now, place the loaded bottle in an oven, again at 105 degrees Celsius, but this time you have to remove the stopper and stopper should be placed in the oven itself only. Now, dry the sample to constant weight. Constant weight means 2 consecutive weighing do not differ by more than 0.5 mg per gram of substance taken. The second weighing should be made after an additional 1 hour of drying. After drying is completed, open the drying chamber, close the bottle immediately and allow it to cool to the room temperature in desiccator before weighing. Now after cooling, weigh the bottle with content and calculate loss on drying in percent weight by weight. Here we have to take care that when drying in desiccator is specified, care must be taken to keep the desiccant fully effective by frequent replacement. So now let us start with our actual procedure in the laboratory. So let's start with the procedure, friends.
Okay, now let's start with the actual procedure to determine the loss on drying of absorbed cotton. So first we have to weigh this empty bottle. Weigh it. So the weight of empty bottle is 238.700 gram. Now we are going to keep this empty bottle in hot air oven for preheating, and we are going to keep this bottle for temperature at 105 degrees Celsius for half an hour, that is 30 minutes. So let's move towards the hot air oven. So this is our hot air oven. Now we'll keep this bottle in the empty bottle first in the hot air oven for 105 degrees Celsius. So on this oven. So holding time will be 105 degrees Celsius up to 30 minutes. So we'll adjust temperature to 105 degrees Celsius. So for this temperature we are going to keep it for 30 minutes. Now we will remove, after 30 minutes, I kept this for 30 minutes. Now we will remove this bottle. Now we will allow to cool this bottle at the room temperature for a while. So now bottle has been cooled down at the room temperature. Now we are going to take this absorbent cotton that we will add in the bottle. Okay. Now we will this weigh with the cotton. So we have got the weight, that is 239.08 gram with the cotton before keeping in oven. Now we are going to keep this bottle with the cotton in oven at 105 degrees Celsius again for half an hour. Let's move to the hot air room. Please properly stop this bottle and keep it in hot air room. Adjust the temperature. So after half an hour, we have already removed the cotton with the bottle from the hot air oven and already desiccated and dried the sample. You have to dry the sample until you get the consecutive readings. Two consecutive readings should be same, means it should not be differ more. Now after this, we are going to weigh this bottle again. That will get the difference. So we have got the weight 238.900 gram. So it will be the weight of anti-shallow weight bottle with the cotton after drying up to the constant weight. all the readings: weight of empty bottle, weight of bottle with cotton before drying, weight of empty bottle plus cotton after drying. So now we move ahead the calculations and we will calculate the percent weight by weight on LOD, that is loss on drying. So that's okay. Now let's move to the calculation parts. I will calculate how much loss on drying is there for the absorbent cotton.
So after performing the practical with proper procedure, we have got the following observations. Okay, so now what are the observations we have taken? So first we had weighed the empty shallow weighing bottle, which we have considered as X gram, and we got the values 230.70 gram. Then we had weighed the empty shallow weighing bottle with cotton, okay, which is Y gram, and this with cotton which we have calculated is before keeping in the oven. So we got value 239.80 gram. Then we had weighed the empty shallow bottle with cotton, that is Z gram, after drying to constant weight, and weight is again 239.90 gram. So these are the observations which we have got after performing the practical. Now we'll move ahead to the calculations of this practical, and we'll calculate the percent weight by weight loss on drying. So let's start with the calculations now. So first we will be calculating the weight of cotton taken for the experiment, that is Y minus X, which we have got again 5 gram. Okay, then weight of water, weight of loss on drying, that is Y minus Z, is 0.1 gram, and 5 gram of sample gives 0.1 gram of weight loss on drying. So therefore 100 gram of sample will give you 100 into 5, 100 into 0.1 upon 5. So we got the percent weight by weight LOD. So as per IP 1996, loss on drying of absorbent cotton should not be more than 8% weight by weight. And we got loss and drying of given sample of absorbent cotton as 5% weight by weight. Hence, the result is loss on drying of given sample of absorbent cotton is 5% weight by weight, and hence the given sample complies the test as per IP 1996. So we can conclude that absorbent cotton wool passes the test of loss on drying and complies the limit as per IP 1996. Thank you friends. Thank you very much for attending this practical session. Thank you very much.